In this video, I'll show you how to transform ChatGPT into a highly effective, step-by-step homework tutor for any subject. I start by entering a detailed prompt that instructs the AI to act as a patient mentor who prioritizes conceptual understanding over just giving away the answers. ChatGPT quickly adopts this persona, promising to provide thorough breakdowns and frequent check-in questions to ensure I am actually grasping the material as we move forward. To test its math skills, I type in an algebra problem and ask for a guided solution that explains the reasoning behind every single step taken. ChatGPT responds by systematically isolating the variable, first adding $2 to both sides and then subtracting $12 to simplify the equation effectively. It concludes that $x is equal to 21/5, or $4.02, and finishes with a comprehensive check to verify the math holds up. Moving on to history, I ask for a high school level explanation of the primary causes that led to the outbreak of World War I. The AI generates a beautifully formatted guide using the MAIN acronym, which highlights how militarism, complex alliances, and imperialism set the stage for global conflict. It explains how intense nationalism acted as the final ingredient before the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand triggered the chain reaction of the war. This organized approach, complete with a summary and practice questions, makes complex historical events much easier to study and remember for an upcoming exam. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.